February 5th, 2024. Alright, this is the gear assembly in the case. Need to make a retainer. Hold all that stuff in there, because if it falls out, you're going to have some fun. I'm going to let my wife hold the camera. It's my wife, Val. And she's going to watch me knock this race out. When you pull this thing, come right over here. Pull this thing out here as close to the edge of your table as you can get it. You make your homemade punch. This is the GM inner tie rod, been modified into a curl punch. It's been sharpened real sharp. I'm going to take this race out. And the reason you got to have it on this table at this deal is it's very hard to get this punch up in there and hit that race. Drive it out of there. Then you go to the bottom. Back up here to the top, hopefully. You gotta get it in there. And it's a real steep angle. That's why you gotta pull it out here on the table. You just kind of start working it out of there. You need a sharp punch so you can get a hold of it. She's getting out of range. She's moving though. It's not the easiest thing in the world to do. But you can get up in there. Once it starts getting out there a little bit, they're easier to get hold of. Ow! Did it hurt?
No.
About to kill my camera girl. But since we are real timing it, so you actually have an idea what you're looking at. Okay, this is bolted in there, it didn't all fall out on you, so we're doing good with that. This is where I need my wife's help a little bit. We're gonna put a brace right here. So we got something to hammer on. Put a little lube in here. This is a 4-wheel drive tool. Just anything that fits. Generally work. I'll bet I left my hammer over there. I don't have my big hammer. Voila! God bless them, the 4-5.